Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch. First, make sure your new device has at least 50% battery life. This prevents interruptions during the initial setup. Next, ensure your compatible smartphone is powered on and within a few feet of your watch. You will also need to download the official companion application from your phone's app store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone. This is crucial for the connection. Now let's initiate the pairing. Open the companion application you just downloaded on your smartphone. The app will guide you through adding a new device. Look for your specific smartwatch model in the list of available devices that appears. Once selected, a unique pairing code, usually 6 digits, will display on both your phone and watch. Verify these codes match exactly before proceeding to the next step. After successful pairing, you'll be prompted to grant essential permissions. These allow your smartwatch to access features like notifications and location data. Take a moment to personalize your experience by choosing a watch face and adjusting notification preferences. You can also set up health tracking, like daily step goals or heart rate monitoring. Finally, ensure data synchronization is enabled for a seamless flow of information between your watch and phone. Sometimes, you might encounter connection issues. A simple restart of both your smartwatch and smartphone often resolves many problems. Always check for the latest software updates on both devices, as these can fix bugs. If issues persist, try forgetting the device in your phone's Bluetooth settings and then repairing it from scratch. For persistent problems, the manufacturer's support website offers detailed troubleshooting steps and specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.